You'll have to read it in the book.
If you've watched any of our Bernie Fineman videos, you may have noticed some of his less than subtle messages regarding his new book, Miracle Mechanic, Cars, Krays and Cancer. Well, I need to clarify one point quickly first. It is not this book, the original Motor Mouth. That was one Bernie put out about 10 years ago. That is not the book. That's one you'll find in dusty corners of eBay and maybe the odd charity shop. His new book is Cars, Krays and Cancer. It's published by Spellbound Books and it is now available to pre-order for your Kindle. It will be made available on the 29th of May. And let's be honest, at $1.99 it is less than a cup of Costa coffee, so why wouldn't you buy it?
Well, I haven't got a Kindle and I want a hard copy.
Well, I'm afraid you're just going to have to wait a little bit longer. It is going to come out on hard copy and we haven't unfortunately got a date for that yet, but it's going to be supplied in what they call print on demand, which is basically exactly what it sounds like. You order a copy, it gets printed off and sent to you. And apparently this is the way. I've learned a lot about this in the last couple of weeks. Publishers nowadays, rather than risking sort of printing off thousands of books, they go this method, so it's basically printed as customers order it. And the great thing of this, it means books like Bernie's do come to market because the publishers haven't got to take such a risk in putting it out there. And the other great bit is, if you're in Australia or if you're in America, say, you can still order a hard copy of this book. You just order it through Amazon as usual. It'll get printed locally and come straight out to you. Isn't that fantastic?
Okay, so I can have a hard copy, but what about getting Bernie to sign it?
Bernie is still really keen to do that, but obviously the hard copy of the book needs to come out first before we can put anything like that together. So I hope that all makes sense to you. If you want a Kindle copy, you can get on and order it now and you'll have it for the end of May. Or alternatively, you need the hard copy, you just need to wait a little bit longer. So the choice is yours. Catch you next time.